How to disable auto lock on iPhone. To get started, go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down and tap on Display and Brightness. This page allows you to adjust the screen brightness, switch between light and dark appearance, enable True Tone, and configure other display-related settings. Here, scroll down and tap on Auto Lock. From here, you can choose the auto lock timing for your lock screen. For example, never. This means that you have turned off auto lock on your phone. Your phone may use more energy with this setting. This way, you get more control over how you use the device. Following these steps, you can easily disable auto lock on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.